And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 124. Let me show you the easiest way to create a vignette. Good idea to copy the image beforehand using Ctrl J. Then go to Filter, and there is a Camera Raw filter. If you open it for the first time, it might take a couple of seconds, but here we are. And under Optics, you just have to open the drop down, and you can add a dark vignette to the left and a bright vignette to the right. There's also a specific drop down for the vignette, and then you can adjust the midpoint. Again, to the left it gets darker, to the right brighter. And if you've got what you want, confirm we are OK. It's an easy way, quick way to create a vignette, but it obviously doesn't allow you the freedom to adjust it that, for example, using the marquee tool does. So if you just need a quick solution, use the Camera Raw filter, but if you want to adjust your vignette a little bit more, then check out my last video where I've shown how you can use the ellipse marquee tool to create a vignette. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.